You are about to embark on a journey toward personalized precision wellness, and it starts with collecting your saliva sample. Before we get started, don't forget to activate your test at www.onegevity.com/activate. After activation, open your kit and make sure all the listed supplies are included. For saliva collection, you should find the following items: 2 saliva collection tubes, a Ziploc bag for the saliva collection tubes, a prepaid return label, a return bag to send back your kit, and your instructional booklet. Please read the entire instructional booklet before completing this test to ensure an optimal saliva sample is collected. Once you have finished reading the instructions, you are now ready to collect your saliva sample. The first sample should be collected within 30 minutes of waking. The second sample should be at night, around 9 p.m. To prepare for your collection, write your name, the date, and time on the collection tubes. Do not eat or drink anything but water, and do not brush your teeth within 60 minutes prior to collecting the sample. 5 minutes before you begin your first collection, rinse your mouth with water. After 5 minutes have passed, remove the cap and place the open tube near your lips. Fill the tube with saliva at least 3/4 of the way, not counting air bubbles, and then replace the cap. Place the tube in the Ziploc bag and seal it while you wait to collect the other sample. Repeat these same steps for your second saliva collection sample. Remember, samples should be collected within 24 hours of each other to allow for proper analysis. Once all samples from your kit have been collected, place the collection tubes inside the Ziploc bag and close. If you don't plan on returning the samples within 24 hours, store the samples inside your freezer until ready to mail. Make sure your test kit is activated at www.onegevity.com/activate. When ready to mail, place the bag inside the collection kit along with any other finished tests. Place that in the large return bag and apply the prepaid postage label. Leave inside a mailbox or take to any U.S. Postal Service facility. You will be notified as soon as your results and recommendations are ready. Here's to your new health discoveries and the first steps to optimizing your well-being.